The Shepherd Boy and the Wolf. الراعي والذئب. كان هناك فتى صغير يرعى الأغنام في قرية صغيرة. There was a young boy who looked after sheep in a small village. كان الفتى يذهب كل يوم مع أغنامه إلى المرعى. Every day the boy went to the pasture with his sheep. كان الفتى يشعر بالملل أحيانا. Sometimes the boy felt bored. فكر في فكرة ليسلي نفسه. So he thought of an idea to entertain himself. صرخ الفتى: الذئب الذئب. The boy shouted, wolf, wolf. سمع أهل القرية صراخه. The villagers heard his shouting. فركضوا نحوه لمساعدته. So they ran toward him to help him. ولما وصلوا لم يجدوا ذئبا. When they arrived, they didn't find any wolf. ضحك الفتى وقال: كنت أمزح معكم. The boy laughed and said, I was joking with you. عاد أهل القرية إلى بيوتهم غاضبين. The villagers returned to their homes angrily. بعد أيام قليلة جاء ذئب حقيقي إلى المرعى. A few days later, a real wolf came to the pasture. خاف الفتى وصرخ: الذئب الذئب. The boy became frightened and shouted, wolf, wolf. سمع أهل القرية صراخه ولكنهم لم يذهبوا إليه. The villagers heard his cries, but they did not go to him. قالوا: لقد كذب علينا من قبل. They said, he lied to us before. حاول الفتى أن يطرد الذئب ولكنه كان خائفا. The boy tried to drive the wolf away, but he was frightened. هرب الذئب بعد ذلك. The wolf ran away afterward. شعر الفتى بالندم. The boy felt regretful. قال: ليتني لم أكذب على أهل القرية. He said, I wish I had not lied to the villagers. تعلم الفتى أن الكذب يفقد الناس الثقة. The boy learned that lying makes people lose trust. ومن ذلك اليوم أصبح صادقا ولا يكذب على أحد. From that day he became honest and never lied to anyone. Moral of the story: من يكذب كثيرا يفقد ثقة الناس. A person who lies often loses people's trust.